Hey guys, how are you today? Ina Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. And today we're doing a subscription comparison. And I have with me the January Ipsy box, the BirchBox, and YesohYas. The first one today, we're going to go ahead and open the Ipsy box. As some of you know, Ipsy always sends you a makeup bag with their samples. So the month of January, it looks like this. And let's see what it has inside. Ipsy subscription includes 5 samples. Sometimes you'll get full-size products. So let's see what I've got in January. So the first is this highlighter brush from SL Miss Glam number L36. I believe it's synthetic, but it looks amazing. I'm very, very excited. Love it, love it, love it. I must say, Ipsy has been improving with every month, all the time. The products are just the bomb. So the next thing I got is a full-size loose pigment from Fearless in shade Sneaky. That is so pretty. It's a very pretty deep lavender color. The next thing I got is full-size gel eyeliner from Bella Pierre. That's interesting. A gel eyeliner into a pencil liner. That is a very interesting move. And it's in the shade Metallic Green number 04. This one definitely asks for a makeup tutorial. So the next thing I got is this Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser from Real Chemistry. I've never had anything from Real Chemistry, so I'm super excited to try them out. And the next thing is an eyeshadow. Oh, it's actually eyeshadow and luminizer. So I guess you can use it as eyeshadow and as a highlighter from the Balm Cosmetics in the shade Mary Lou Manizer, I believe. And it looks like this. It's a very pretty champagne color, I would say. And this sums it up, the Ipsy January subscription box. Now let's go to the next one, and the next is going to be the BirchBox. The BirchBox comes in the box. BirchBox comes in the box. So let's see what we have in there. Since it's my first month, they had a deal, and it came in with the MAC lipstick, matte lipstick, in the shade Velvet Teddy. I'm very excited. I never had any lipsticks from MAC, to be honest, and I'm super excited to see and try their formula as well. And that's a really nice bonus I got with my first BirchBox. So the first thing I got is Rapid Soothing Probiotics Bubble Mask with champagne and yuzu extracts. So from H2O Plus Beauty. So what it does is a gel to bubble texture, calms and soothes skin, visible, enhances complexion, helps preserve skin's moisture balance. Would you like me to do maybe a review, try it out on the camera for you guys and see what is all this fuss about? If you do, please comment down below and let me know. And the next thing I got is SPF 30 Face BB Cream from Kula. I am not a fan of BB cream. I'm more of a foundation, a full coverage type of girl. But for the beach days, I think this one would be a perfect fit. So I'm super excited to try it out and see what it does. So the next thing I got in my BirchBox is still a huge Extreme Lash Mascara. It looks like this. I believe this one is a sample size, but it still looks really, really nice. So I'm super excited to try it out. I have never had a mascara from Silla, so that's a bonus. So the next thing I got is from Bioderma, Hydrabio Serum, I think it is. And this one is Moisturizing Concentrate, very dehydrated, sensitive skin. So this one is for the face and neck. Well, I guess I'll try it for my neck, but for my face, I'm pretty oily, so I don't think this one is gonna work out for me, but it's definitely worth a try. Since it's a sample, it's not gonna hurt. And the next thing I got in my BirchBox is a eyeshadow trio, Love You So Latte from the Beauty Crop. So far, the colors are very pretty. And there is never enough eyeshadows in your collection, don't you agree? And this sums up the January BirchBox. The next subscription is called YesohYas. It's a new subscription in the market, so not everybody knows about it. But what they do is they guarantee 3 to 7 full-size products, and it costs only $12.99 per month plus shipping. So without further ado, let's see what they send in January. The little note says, thank you for your order. We want to gift you. You're one step closer to redeeming your gift, free gift, via our customer loyalty program. This program earns you a gift on your 5th, 10th, and 15th renewal order. Once you reach each 5th cycle, kindly email us so we include your gift. That's kind of sweet. So the first thing I got is a bronzer and highlighter from Monica Dar. And the next thing I got is a blending sponge from Beauty Creation. The next thing is the mineral lip gloss from Bella Terra. Just a lip gloss with kind of lavender tint to it. That's cute. It smells like candy. And the next thing I got is a duo brush from Bella Pierre. It's a flat brush with the eyeliner brush. And the next thing in the box is a glitter liner from Bella Terra Mineral Cosmetics. It's a waterproof glitter liner in the shade Amethyst. That's kind of neat. Let's see. I must say it feels very, very soft, which is very unusual for a glitter liner. I can't wait to try it. I am loving it. The next thing we got is this beautiful makeup bag. It doesn't say from where or who is it from, but that's kind of neat. It's an empty little makeup bag. I think this will be pretty cool for the lipsticks. So the month of January, they sent 5 full products and a little makeup bag, which is pretty exciting. So far, I love all the products that I've got. Let me know if you got anything different or which one was your favorite in the comments down below. And that concludes the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I love you all and I can't wait to see you on my next video. Bye!